Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make butter garlic spaghetti. First, let's get our pasta cooking perfectly. Bring about 8 cups of water to a rolling boil in a large pot, adding 1 tablespoon of salt for flavor. Then, add 8 ounces of spaghetti and cook it until it's al dente, which usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Remember to save about 1 cup of that starchy pasta water before you drain the noodles. It's crucial for our sauce. Now, let's create that irresistible garlic butter sauce. In a large skillet, melt 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter over medium heat. Once melted, add 4 cloves of freshly minced garlic. Sauté the garlic for about 1 minute, just until it becomes wonderfully fragrant. It's important not to let it brown or burn, as burnt garlic can taste quite bitter and ruin the delicate flavor of our dish. It's time to bring everything together. Add your perfectly cooked spaghetti directly into the skillet with the fragrant garlic butter. Next, pour in about 1/2 cup of that starchy pasta water we saved earlier. Toss everything together vigorously. The pasta water helps to emulsify the sauce, creating a silky, glossy coating that adheres wonderfully to every strand of spaghetti. Keep tossing until it looks absolutely delicious. Your delicious butter garlic spaghetti is ready to be enjoyed. Serve it immediately, perhaps with a sprinkle of fresh chopped parsley and a generous grating of Parmesan cheese. For those who enjoy a little warmth, a pinch of red pepper flakes adds a lovely subtle kick. And if you want to brighten up the flavors even more, a small squeeze of fresh lemon juice right before serving can make a big difference. Enjoy your simple, yet incredibly flavorful meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.